I'm making a short video to demonstrate this vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. It's been fully serviced and fully restored. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to slide the lever all the way to the right, which is the continuous mode. Slide it slightly to the left, and you have the pause feature. Nice long pause, indicating a perfect mechanical movement and bellows. This extends the playing time of the movement. We'll wait for one more pause. This has a really, really long pause. We'll shift it back to the right. The bird animates perfectly. It sings perfectly, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. It's a wonderful example. Very sweet song. Shift it back to the left and it turns it off. So in summary, a vintage, this is an earlier one, Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage, fully restored, fully serviced, in outstanding condition. Take care.